exercise. Okay students, first exercise, tick the correct answer. So listen carefully. First question is, the substance that traps sunlight for photosynthesis. Once again, the substance that traps sunlight for photosynthesis. There are four options: chlorophyll, stomata, veins and stole. Answer, what is the answer? Answer is chlorophyll. Take the right answer. Option A, chlorophyll. So move on to the next question. Carbon dioxide is taken in through. Carbon dioxide is taken in through the. I already says carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves. Okay. Just look. Leaf blade, stomata, root and stem. So answer is option B. Answer is stomata. Answer is stomata. Next question. The food prepared during photosynthesis is kind of what? Food prepared during photosynthesis is kind of. Four options: starch, gas, mineral and last one is sugar. Answer is sugar. And the fourth question. In cactus plants, photosynthesis takes place in the options: stems, leaves, roots and spines. So the answer is stems, the green stems. Photosynthesis takes place in green stems. Fifth question. Plants depends on animals for. Plants depends animals for what? Options are oxygen gas, water, carbon dioxide, minerals. Plants need from animals what? Carbon dioxide. So answer is carbon dioxide. So this is the first exercise. The next one is true or false. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. First statement. Look at the first statement. Oxygen is absorbed during the process of photosynthesis. Just look. Oxygen is absorbed during the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen is released. So the sentence is false. Then next question. The main vein is part of leaf. The main vein is a part of leaf. Leaf is true. So third one. Excess food prepared by plants is converted into sugar and stored. The excess food prepared by the plants is converted into sugar and stored. It is true. The food prepared is stored in plants. Fourth one. Animals depend on plants for oxygen gas. Animals depend on plants for oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is released after the photosynthesis, during the photosynthesis. So the statement is true. We must protect plants and animals. So that sentence is true for. So we must protect the plants and animals is true. So that is next we are going to answer the following questions. Answers are, the first question is chlorophyll. Second question, stomata. Answer for third question, sugar. Answer for fourth question, stems. Answer for fifth question, carbon dioxide. For the exercise section B, answer for first question false, second true, third one true, fourth one true and fifth one also true. Okay students, answer the following questions. Take down your notebooks. And first question, why are most leaves green in color? Why are most leaves green in color? Answer is, leaves are green in color due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll. Once again, leaves are green in color due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll. Second question, define photosynthesis. Answer, the process of making food by plants in the presence of sunlight. The process of making food by plants in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. So, third question, where does photosynthesis occur in cactus plants? Where does Photosynthesis occur in cactus plants where in the green stems. Fourth question. Explain how plants and animals are independent. Explain how plants and animals are independent. Answer is animals depend on plants for oxygen, food, shelter and many useful things. Plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide. Once again, animals depend on plants for oxygen, food, shelter and many useful things. Plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide. The fourth question is, draw a well-labeled diagram of a leaf. I already draw in the board. You have in the textbook and draw it in your notebook. Now, values for life. Nuri's parents plant saplings of trees every year on Nuri's birthday. They take care of saplings until they grow into trees. Do you think this is a good practice? Yes, it is a good practice. And explain how. Now, there are some questions. Leaves are generally flat and broad. Why? Leaves are generally flat and broad. Why? Then think about and give the answers in your activity book. Second question. Why is it refreshing to sit under a tree with many leaves during the daytime? Why is it refreshing to sit under a tree with many leaves during the daytime? When daytime sunlight is there is photosynthesis happening. What happened there? Okay, just think and write the answer in your activity book. Third question. It is not good to sleep under a tree during night. Okay, in night there is no sunlight. So think about it and give the answer. So there is a project. Collect different types of leaves from your garden or neighborhood. Draw their outline to note the shape. Draw the main vein, side vein and the stalk. Color the leaf and make a leaf album. Okay, students, please do the work. Okay, students, there is another activity for you. Read the clues and solve the crossword. And take your activity book and write it down. Okay, so this is the first chapter for you. I hope you all understand. Is there any doubt? Go through the video and clarify the doubts. Thank you.